To fix the Bosch water heater error code Ea, it is essential to understand the meaning of this code and the steps required to resolve the issue. The error code Ea typically indicates a faulty temperature sensor or a malfunctioning thermistor, which is responsible for measuring the water temperature in the heater. First, locate the temperature sensor, usually found at the bottom of the water heater, and check for any signs of damage or corrosion. If the sensor is damaged, it may need to be replaced. Before attempting any repairs, ensure the power to the water heater is turned off to avoid any electrical shocks or injuries. Next, check the wiring connections to the temperature sensor to ensure they are secure and not loose. If the connections are loose, tighten them according to the manufacturer's instructions. If the connections are damaged, they may need to be replaced. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the temperature sensor. This can be done by purchasing a replacement sensor from the manufacturer or an authorized dealer. When replacing the sensor, ensure it is installed correctly and the wiring connections are secure. After completing the repair, turn the power back on to the water heater and check the error code. If the code is no longer displayed, the issue has been resolved. However, if the code persists, it may be necessary to consult a professional plumber or the manufacturer's customer support for further assistance. It is also important to note that regular maintenance of the water heater can help prevent error codes from occurring in the future. This includes checking the temperature and pressure relief valve, inspecting the anode rod, and flushing the heater to remove any sediment buildup. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can fix the Bosch water heater error code Ea and ensure your water heater is functioning correctly and efficiently. Remember to always follow safety precautions and consult the manufacturer's instructions when performing any repairs or maintenance tasks.